Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2020 Road Glide Special in color Vivid Black. This bike comes with a 114 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. It also comes with an S&S exhaust, highway pegs, Thrash and Supply handlebars, Prodigy wheels, upgraded windshields, LED turn signals, hard lockable quick release saddlebags, cruise control, premium audio, GPS, and only 3,977 miles. If you have any questions about this bike or you want to take it for a test ride, give us a call here at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.